Hey developers, Interview.io is hiring for the SDE intern role, software development engineer intern for the Bangalore location. It is an full-time internship, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. from Monday to Friday, and the stipend is 40,000 per month. Duration is 6 months, and the eligible batch who is going to pass out in 2026 can apply here. If you are a final year batch student 7th or 8th semester and ready to get hands on with real product work, we are looking for. So here is the key responsibilities and the technologies they want. Develop full stack application with Node.js, Express, React, Justin or Nest.js. PostgreSQL and Redis for data management. Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, CI/CD pipeline with Jenkins. Ensure application security, scalability and performance. Collaborate with cross-functional teams. What we are looking for: BTech, B in CSIT, 4 to 6 months of prior development experience. If you don't have experience, you have to be a solid personal project and strong foundation in front end and back end web tech. Curiosity, speed, and the will to learn, build, and own your work. Bonus: experience in a product based organization or startup environment it is a plus point. Here is the requirement needed as we discussed earlier. Now, this is the form you have to fill and apply here. Now move to the second intensive hiring by the Modgenics Technology Solution for the backend development internship role. Talking about the eligibility and qualifications. Eligibility: open to students and recent graduates from all engineering, business schools, arts, and other relevant fields with experience between 0 to 6 and 1.6 years. Means who is going to pass out in 2026 and recent graduate 2025 can apply here. All engineering means bachelor degree, business schools, MBA means all can apply here. Potential job offer, certification of completion, and letter of recommendation. Now talking about the core skills. Strong understanding of Node.js and associate framework means all JavaScript frameworks and libraries, RESTful APIs, database management, MySQL, API, Postman, Git, GitHub. These are the core skills required, and the soft skills like problem solving, communication. These are the basic requirements and key responsibilities you can read here, like develop and maintain server-side logic and API using Node.js, design and implement RESTful APIs, MySQL database, API testing and debugging, optimize using queries, design schemas. So here is the skills, responsibilities and qualifications and eligibility. So applied deadline is 1st of October, so apply before it. And as you can see the highlights, like 5 days a week, and the internship duration is 6 months. Talking about the stipend, minimum 10, max 2015, means 10 to 15,000 per month, and it is a work from home, and the previous one is for the Bangalore location. So it is work from home, earning 10 to 15,000. It is very good for getting an experience. So apply now. Let's end this video. Both job links below in the description, and hit a like button and comment, subscribe Skillr for more job tips.